Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Siti Nurfazlina and my fellow friends. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Before I start the presentations, my name is Nurfarisha binti Skifli. Today, my members and I will present about a case study of MYDIN. The MYDIN Muhammad Holdings Berhad is public limited company started in year 2000s. MYDIN is one of the retail chain, mini market, hypermarket, supermarket and convenience shop in Malaysia. MYDIN was established by MYDIN Muhammad in Kota Baru, Kelantan. For first his business, he doing selling the toys that come from Thailand and some basic needs for the people. MYDIN, a company who has started the operation in Kelantan to sell local and overseas products with affordable prices. After many years when he's doing his business until year 2000s, MYDIN make a lot of improvement to achieve all consumers' demand and to ensure consumer can get their basic needs with the affordable price. MYDIN want to ensure that without any complications, this business flow will run smoothly. MYDIN are leading Malaysian wholesale hypermarket in Malaysia. Under MYDIN Group Holdings, there are more than 3,000 employees who are working under MYDIN for overall. However, the number of workers employed in the branches are depend on the size of branches itself. Different branches have different their own business category because it is depends on the capacity of goods traded. MYDIN provide or sells the goods with the favorable and cheaper prices. The founder understands that the customer really enjoy cheaper price, especially to meet their basic needs. MYDIN strives to be a leading wholesale and retail firm by providing the highest prices, a wide variety of goods and consistent excellence based on its market formula. In all aspects of its industry, MYDIN conduct its business on the base of halal principles, honesty and good discipline in all aspects of its industry.
I will be presenting implementation of knowledge management in MYDIN Holdings Sendirian Berhad. There are two implementation of knowledge management in MYDIN Holdings Sendirian Berhad. One of it is knowledge acquisition and another one is knowledge sharing. Knowledge acquisition is where the company obtain external knowledge. Knowledge sharing is making the right information available for others at the right time and the right place. MYDIN Holdings Sendirian Berhad acquire knowledge from its consumer, suppliers, and competitors as they provide him with the market and situational awareness readings. From the aspect of consumer, MYDIN receive feedback for satisfaction of the consumer towards the MYDIN services and products. From the competitors' perspective, such as Tesco and Carrefour, both the competitors share their experience regarding hypermarket marketing strategies and improvising the existing products in the MYDIN market. As for the suppliers, it helps to provide production forecasting of the products or service that make MYDIN more aware of the market situation for financial and also development innovation. MYDIN achieve their implementation in knowledge sharing through an elite telesis. Elite telesis provide articulation, awareness, access, guidance, and completeness. Articulation could be seen to the delivery of the data. Awareness is proven in the system and applications that is used to explore data. It is accessible for the vendors and MYDIN management. It became a guidance for the vendors and help the MYDIN management to monitor all the businesses. The completeness of this system is that it is managed by MYDIN itself and the knowledge inside the system are owned by themselves.
My name is Arni Sofia, and as for my part, I'm going to be explaining on the evaluation of the implementation of knowledge management in MYDIN organization. For the knowledge acquisition, MYDIN learn from Kmart's 10 deadly sins. Kmart's bankruptcy was largest ever for a retailer. MYDIN had the benefit of learning from its experience, so MYDIN could avoid errors or create new technique that the company never suggested or introduced. Thus, MYDIN adopts some counter strategies that targeting on developing its brand focuses more on understanding consumers and managing the competitors. Here, MYDIN changed the failure of others into its very own business guidance. Next, through knowledge sharing, MYDIN put priority on ensuring the consistent flow of communication, be it in their supply chain network, from supplier to logistic to warehouse to the ground staff and also management team. Getting information to people at the right time is crucial, as it is one of the contributing factors to the competitiveness of the organization. MYDIN also embraced the right technology on evaluating knowledge sharing. Technology selection is important for organizational structure, overcome distort in communication, manage network, increase efficiency, cope with massive data, and to make sure that everything progresses smoothly. For instance, MYDIN decide on Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007, just-in-time stock management, Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail, Allied Chelsea as the backbone of entire IT system, and MYDIN also partner with Microsoft Cope to enhance knowledge sharing. The evaluation of the implementation of knowledge management has successfully made MYDIN remain highly competitive in this industry.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farhana binti Zamri and I will present about the challenges faced by MYDIN. MYDIN is one of the biggest business of retailing and wholesaling in Malaysia, is facing some challenges in implementing knowledge management as a source of competitive advantage in its company. The challenges in developing knowledge acquisition is involving the presence of the competitors and insufficient customer service. The competitors are come from the existing business such as Tesco and Giant. They also offering the same product as MYDIN. Because of the less publicity of MYDIN, customers move to other competitors. This is due to the less efforts in providing the advertisement to attract the customer. In terms of the customer service, customers are not satisfied with the customer service of MYDIN and they shift to other alternative shopping spots. MYDIN also have a challenge to break away from the stereotype of Muslim goods and promotes the purchasing of Muslim products by non-Muslim consumers. In every business, they have to ensure that their customers are easy to search for what they are looking for. Then, the manager that is responsible in the knowledge sharing have to ensure that all of the information are easy to access, although it is put together in one place. So, in terms of technology, MYDIN is lack of efficient or IT infrastructure. This is due to the existing network of MYDIN that are no longer can support the problem in the system. So, in order to link the communication from manufacturer, logistic and warehouse, ground personnel until management team in the supply chain network, MYDIN Berhad needs to introduce a new network to support application access system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Wahida binti Harun, and now I would like to share with you about the suggestions for this case study. The first suggestion is to ensure the organization to adopt more of the use of IT in order to increase the level of knowledge acquisition. Knowledge acquisition is one of the most important key elements to acquire sustainable competitive advantage in current market. One of the sources of knowledge acquisition is customer feedback, especially for a company like MYDIN. Utilizing customer feedback is crucial in ensuring their performance are at the best level possible. Therefore, in order to gather those feedbacks from the customer, the organization may use technology as a means to collect those data and feedbacks. It is also useful as a method to collect data and information regarding sales, trends, feedbacks, and so on, which can then be used to create new knowledge within the organization, enabling the organization to detect any room of improvement needed, which can help the organization to perform better and ensure they can always meet their customer standards, and will lead to customer satisfaction that will result in customers' loyalty. The second suggestion is to encourage various forms of knowledge sharing within the organization. It is important to run knowledge sharing among employees so that if any experienced worker left the organization, the remaining workers are able to continuously maintain the knowledge needed to carry out the work. A good knowledge sharing software avoids the issues of answering the same question. It is also helps the member of the organization to search for content, ask questions, locate experts, store documents, and encouraging everyone from interns to CEO to contribute ideas, ensuring two-way communication in the organization. Organization can also use the club-based knowledge sharing as a platform to disseminate information and knowledge throughout the whole organization, enabling the members of the organization to collaborate, share their ideas, as well as provide new suggestions on how to improve the organization's performance. It helps to ensure the organization member idea and vision to stay aligned around the same information even though they does not work in the same office or have different work backgrounds.
In a conclusions, MYDIN will have good performance after the business starts. They are able to maintain their relationship with customer and improve the performance of their business day by day when they apply the knowledge management as their practices and strategies. The crucial factors that lead well performance of MYDIN are using the sources of external knowledge acquisitions and explicit knowledge sharing. In terms of competitors, there are many competitors in the market such as Tesco and Carrefour, but MYDIN is able to compete among other companies. Therefore, MYDIN should always observe its competitors and do the market survey as a feedback or collecting and processing marketing related information in order to improve their product and services. MYDIN wants their business to be a parallel with their objective, which is providing the favorable price. By constructing on the price structure, MYDIN is able to adequately fulfill the needs of Malaysian consumers. Consumers are very sensitive to price volatilities nowadays, and they want goods that have value for money. That's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.